Hey everyone, welcome to the Build and Push YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your local machine using XAMPP. This is perfect for testing, developing your website, or learning how to use WordPress without needing to pay for hosting. Let's get started. First, let's talk briefly about what XAMPP is. XAMPP is a free and open source tool that allows you to create a local web server on your computer. It includes Apache, MySQL, PHP, and more, everything you need to run WordPress locally. Alright, let's dive into the setup process. To get started, you'll need to download and install XAMPP. Go to apachefriends.org and download the version of your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once downloaded, install it like any other program. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After installing XAMPP, open the XAMPP control panel. You'll see options to start various services. The two main ones we need are Apache and MySQL. Go ahead and click Start next to both. Once they both running, you're all set to move on to the next step. Now, let's download WordPress. Head over to wordpress.org and click the Get WordPress button to download the latest version. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Next, we need to move the WordPress file to XAMPP directory. Find the XAMPP folder on your computer, usually located in C, XAMPP, htdocs. Inside the htdocs folder, create a new folder for your WordPress site. You can name it whatever you like. For example, I'll call it My WordPress. Then, copy all the files from the WordPress folder you just downloaded and paste them into the My WordPress folder. Before we can install WordPress, we need to create a database. Open your browser and go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. This is the tool we'll use to manage our databases. Click on the Database tab and create a new database. Name it something simple, like WordPress_DB. Once it's created, we're ready to install WordPress. Now let's go to localhost/mywordpress in your browser. This will take you to the WordPress installation page. First, select your language and then click Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your database information. In the database name field, enter the name of the database you created, WordPress_DB. For the username, use root and leave the password field blank. The rest of the setting can be left as default. Click Submit to proceed. Once WordPress connects to the database, you'll be taken to the final setup screen. Here, you'll enter your site title, your username, password, and email. Be sure to remember your login details as you'll need them to access your WordPress dashboard later. Click Install WordPress, and after a few seconds, your local WordPress site will be ready. You can log in into your dashboard by going to localhost/mywordpress/wp-admin and entering your login credentials. And there you go! You've successfully installed WordPress on your local machine using XAMPP. From here, you can explore and start building your site, testing themes, or developing plugins all locally. In future videos, I'll dive deeper into customizing your WordPress site. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumb up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more WordPress and web development tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.